Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to come to weekly meeting. In this meeting, we have two agendas. The first agenda is about the Garudaku project, which was released last month, and the second agenda is about SIMART project, which is in the process of development. Okay, let's just start the meeting today. I have received the report from Garudaku project, and the results are not satisfying. Our cells are still from the target. Mrs. Naila, as the marketing head in charge of the project, can you explain what happened?
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Agni, for the opportunity given to me. So, one of our products, Garudaku, has been experiencing a decline in sales in the past few weeks. Starting from the release until March 31st, only able to sell around 10 products. As we know that, the sales target in March should be as many as 20 products sold. But in reality, the sales are not in accordance with the target. This happened because the marketing strategy planning is not good enough, so that the target market is also not reached. In addition, in terms of sales price also does not suit with customers' expectation.
Okay. Are there problems in the application aspect? Can the user understand the application that we made?
So far, from the application side, there are no obstacles because before release, it has been tested in advance by the quality assurance department. And from the beginning of making this application, we prioritize a user-friendly user experience
Okay.
so that our application users can easily understand and easy to use this application. So we made sure that users can easily understand this application. And to that, there have been no complaint from customer regarding difficulties in understanding this application.
Okay, so the main problem is the marketing strategy, right?
Yes.
I hope the marketing team review the marketing strategy that will be used so that for the second month, sales results can meet the target. Next month, I hope to get a good sales report on Garudaku product. Okay?
All right, Mrs. I think I have some ideas. What if we use social media by placing advertisement on several platforms, such as YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook? I also plan to implement an influencer marketing strategy. But before implementing this idea, I and team need to discuss first to review and research the right marketing strategy for this product, especially in product promotion, so as not to fail as before. And the second month's sales can be in line with our target.
Okay. It's very good. Then I proceed to the second agenda of the Team Art project. The second agenda will be taken over by Mr. Chika as project manager. Please, Mr. Chika.
All right, thank you for Miss Agni who invited me. First, I will explain about what SimArt application is. SimArt is a learning application about symbiosis for elementary school students based on augmented reality. One of the learning materials that is very good to be visualized using augmented reality is Symbiosis, and it has been agreed by the upper ranks to develop this application. Okay, I want to listen first to the report from the programmer team, please.
Thank you, Ms. Chika. Here I will present the progress of the SimArt application. Currently, the main feature has been developed, but the additional features are still being developed.
Please try to explain how the system works for the main features so that Ms. Agni has an overview of this application.
So the system that we made is related to the design team, where they make a colorful book, where each page of the book is a marker to bring up 3D virtual objects. The 3D virtual objects can only appear if we scan using the application that programmer made. Not only the 3D objects, the main features of this application can also show an interaction between objects. For example, in mutualism symbiosis, if the flower marker and the butterfly marker are scanned simultaneously with this application, the flower, an interaction between an animation will appear where when the butterfly gets nectar from the flowers and the flower gets pollinated, as well as the other symbiosis. The design team has prepared many objects for various symbiosis for our team to enter into the application. So that there are various combination of interaction in the same symbiosis.
So the point where if a user scan a book a page, an object will appear, whereas if a user scan a book page combined with a marker object, the symbiosis process animation will appear.
Yes, ma'am, it's true like that.
Okay.
So approximately, what percentage is the application progress? What features are added to complete the main features? And are there any obstacles in making it?
Approximately 75% of this application has been completed. Features that are planned to be added are material features, where user can read the materials that was built with an attractive appearance. And for the obstacle, there are some 3D objects and the animation that is difficult to implement into the coding.
Okay, I think for this kind of obstacles, I suggest to explore either the Unity or Blender forums. And I'm sure you will find a solution to the problem of implementing 3D objects to the Unity.
Yes, ma'am. I will explore both forum.
Okay, good. So by next week, I assume the material features can be done, right?
That's the thing is,
You guys already collect the material, right? No?
we already collect all the materials to include it in the application, ma'am.
And then?
The thing is, all we need to do is actually just insert the materials and the design artifact into the application. It's just our team hasn't got the design artifact to make a good interface from the design team.
Oh, I see. Okay, so later we will discuss it again with the design team.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next is the design team. Please present your weekly progress.
Okay, thank you for the time given. So for the progress of the main design, the application has been complete, and now the design that has been made is implemented to the application by programmer team. Now I will show you and explain a little about the design of the application that has been made. Wait a second minute for I prepare to your share screen. Okay, the first is a splash screen. To display, so this is a splash screen to display the SimArt application logo when the application is first opened. And then this is my menu. This is my menu. The main menu has several menus. There are start menu to start the camera to scan the marker material, menu for symbiosis material, and quiz menu. And there's also user guide menu about how to use this application. And this is my select ecosystem. The page view select the start menu. There is select ecosystem menu. And this is a augmented reality camera for ecosystem menu. So the augmented reality camera is active and there is back button. This is. And camera augmented reality is used to scan markers. And then this is a material menu. So showing 6 kind of symbiosis material and understanding. And this is same like augmented reality camera view of ecosystem menu. This is an augmented reality camera for quiz menu to display a quiz menu that works not far from the start menu by scanning markers. This is a button same like augmented reality ecosystem menu. And the last, this is how to play menu. This page to display instruction for using the application. Okay, that's all. Is there any question about the design, ma'am?
I think the interface is good enough and might increase children's interest to use this application. But then, what about the design artifact for material menu request by programmer team?
We have finished making artifact for the material menu, and today we will final the artifact, and then we will send them to the programmer team tomorrow so that it can be used immediately.
Okay, good. And lastly, the quality assurance team, please share your weekly progress.
Okay, thank you for the time given, ma'am. I will present this week's progress. We have made a test scenario for this application where we'll do functional testing to check whether every functionality in this application is running well so that user will comfortable using this application without any bugs. We will ensure that our quality standards are met to provide quality assurance in accordance with the standard given by the company. The type of testing on SIMART is whether the functional system that is built in accordance with the user and the system can be expected. So we do smoke testing, which is testing the system regularly several times a week. Okay.
So only functional testing will be used, or is it possible to do penetration testing as well?
Okay. We are planning to do functional testing only because in our opinion, there is no data in the application that needs to be protected. So functional testing alone is enough.
Okay, then next one is that this application can run properly so that the user doesn't have to deal with bugs.
Okay, ma'am. We will do our best to check and test all the threats, possibility, and functional all as well.
Okay, great then. Maybe that's all the progress of the SIMART application. I will return the discussion back to Miss Agni.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Chika. Before I close this meeting, I will present the summary of our meeting today. First, for Garudaku application, especially in the marketing team, to review marketing issue, again to show the second month they can reach the target sales. Okay. Second, for SIMART application, to I immediately resolve existing obstacles so that the application can be launched according to our plan. For the next meeting, we will discuss marketing strategy for SIMART application. And maybe if the application is done by next week, programmer and team can demonstrate the application to us. Okay. Does anyone want to add?
No.
No, now.
No, enough.
Okay. Because there are no addition, I will close today's meeting. Thank you for all, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.